Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of AI note-taking for meetings with a comparison review of Fireflies AI and Otter AI. The links to Fireflies AI and Otter AI are in the description. Fireflies AI and Otter AI both offer robust solutions for automating note-taking, transcription, and analysis in meetings. With intuitive interfaces and easy-to-install Chrome extensions, both platforms prioritize user experience. When it comes to features, Fireflies and Otter offer a range of capabilities tailored to different meeting needs. Fireflies specializes in post-meeting analysis, providing detailed summaries and insights after sessions conclude. It excels in tracking action items, questions, decisions, and more with powerful search, filter, and sharing functionalities. On the other hand, Otter shines in real-time meeting assistance, offering live transcripts, notes, and speaker identification during meetings. Its focus on in-the-moment support ensures participants stay engaged without the distraction of manual note-taking. In terms of interface and accessibility, Fireflies provides an organized platform for accessing rich post-meeting analyses, optimized for future review and sharing. Otter prioritizes ease of use during live meetings, with real-time transcripts and notes visible for quick reference. Integration capabilities vary slightly, with Fireflies seamlessly working across platforms like Zoom and RingCentral, while Otter connects directly to Microsoft Teams and Google Meet. When it comes to pricing, Fireflies offers a forever-free plan along with paid options starting at $10 per month. Otter also offers a free plan and various paid plans, with additional features available starting at $10 per month. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.